Sorry guys, I was going to do this off camera, but I'm just going to do it with you guys so you can see how easy these are to put on. Again, these are called bezels right here, if you wanted to know what it's called. I'm definitely buying one more of these guys right here. So all you do is peel and stick. So you peel right here, there's an adhesive on it. Oh, I can't even get, oh no, it's stuck on me. Oh. So the hardest part is trying to line it up. You see that arrow right here? You gotta line it up with the arrow on here. So give me just a second. I want it exactly, so hold on. I don't wanna fuck it up. There you have it. Right there. Right on it. All right.